Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of August 16th through the 22nd. I'm using this kit from CaliCatCo called 90s Kid. This is kind of like a functional page, glitter headers. I don't think I'm going to use them, so I'm just going to set them to the side. It's kind of like headers and more functionals. These are extra full boxes, and then these are the main full boxes. I think I'm just going to use these main ones, because why not? And then bottom washi strips, and then boxes. So lots of things in this kit. I'm excited to use it, and I definitely think it's going to be a good one. Because this is like glossy vinyl, I pulled out this Superior needle drawing pen. This is a 0.2. Kept it pretty small. I'm going to use this. I'm going to actually pull, while I'm at it, this is my other pens from this, so I might pull one of those out. This one says that it'll be a 0.3, but it seems like it might be a little too small. For today, maybe we'll use a really big one for the numbers. Anyway, but these are all Mean Show black fine liners that I'm going to use. So my plan is to set this aside, put down the bottom washi, put down the date covers, and the weekend banner. I'm just going to write the dates because I'm lazy, and then I'm going to put down the headers. I'm going to do it as to do today, this and that. So I'm going to do all of those things, and then I will come back so we can do the interesting bits. All right, well, that was more of a struggle than I expected, but we got there. I think it's looking cute so far, and definitely very colorful. Anyone else hate the sound glossy paper makes when you pick up the stickers? Is this just a me thing? I don't know. Let me know down below. I might be being irrational. Anyway, so for this kit, I mean, the two girls go together, I feel like, for sure. And then I feel like the rest don't really have like obvious pairs. So I'm just gonna kind of use them however I want. Can you hear this noise? This is the noise I don't like. Okay, I'm gonna use the floppy disk up here because I just like it and I think it's fun. And it makes me happy. There we go. Then I'm gonna split the girls up. That's my like next task. I think I'm gonna stick them. These are like all slightly too large, but I think it's gonna be fine. I'm sticking them on Wednesday and Friday. Stick my cassette here. The rest, I don't know if they like have specific places to go, so I'm just gonna kind of stick them wherever I feel like. Slide on my electronics, as you do. The last one, if I can get it stuck. There we go. As Caitlin would say, thank you for your service. that page is done. So there we go. That's looking super cute so far. For the sidebar, I have some sidebar stickers, and then I have some other pieces, I guess. I think what I'm going to do is try to use these dividers that match the bottom washi. I think I'm going to leave a little space. Is that weird? Whatever, I'm just going to do it. I know I don't usually leave space on my sidebar, but I have the room, so why not? There's only one habit tracker in this kit, but I think that's going to be fine. I'm going to track cleaning Pepper's teeth. There's actually a little teeth icon in the kit, so I'm going to use that, even though I know that that's probably meant for human teeth. I don't really care. So I'm just going to go with it. So there we go. I also want to mark dinners, which I feel like needs a header. So maybe I'll use this header here. Ooh, that matches that though. Maybe a blue header. So these are just like header sized washi strips that are plain. I'm just going to leave the dots. I don't even care. So that's going to go there. I'm going to use this little guy because that's going to say dinners. And then I'm going to stick this guy down like so. And then does another full box fit? I think it'll just fit. Maybe we'll use this one. I don't really know because it's like a repetition, but this girl's on the other page, so I think it'll be fine. There we go. Yeah. She probably looks, well, I think this girl probably looks the most like me, but none of them really look like me, so just gonna go with it. That's my sidebar done. I think it looks cute. Very slippery. Okay, for my weekly plans, as you might expect, I don't have a lot of them right now, but it's gonna be fine. We will fill in as we go. I'm going to use these guys to mark work. I think I'm gonna skip the purple one because there's like the purple headers right there. If I can get this up. There's like a few spots where it's not cut super well, and it gets tricky. I'm going to use the pattern ones here as well. I do have a evening meeting again on Tuesday this week. I don't know if I'm going to mark it or not. Kind of depends on how my day goes. If I have more exciting things to mark, I'd rather mark those. I will stick the other two down in a minute. Also on Monday, I have my plan with me. It's gonna go live. We'll use like this one. And I'm just gonna stick it in like so. I did pull some stickers that I could use for it, but I'm just gonna ignore those and just do this as is. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to use maybe this one. It is my mother-in-law's birthday, so I just want to mark that. So I'm going to stick that here. And then I had somewhere, if I don't lose the icons, there's this one that's like two little glasses clinking. So I'm just going to mark that there. Okay, so that's the first half of the week. That's literally all I have going on. So yeah, it's as as boring as usual. And then on Thursday and Friday, I have work just like normal. There we go. And I don't think I have literally anything else scheduled right now. So obviously I have a lot of stuff here. Probably gonna have some leftovers realistically, which is fine. So this is all the stuff I'm going to use during the week. I have my extra 3 girls and my glitter headers. I'm just gonna throw those in my leftovers. I know I'm not gonna use those this week. So this is what the pre-planning is looking like right now. It's looking really cute, even if it's not very fancy. I'm going to use the Mean Show pens for all my writing this week because they won't smear, at least if you give them a second to dry. I'm probably going to use like a 0.35 or something like that so that it goes with my usual pen writing, which I think is a 0.3 or a 0.35. But we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Hopefully it's going to turn out cute, but stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the basically finished spread. I still have whatever I'm gonna end up putting in here for this evening left, and I need to brush Pepper's teeth and figure out what we're having for dinner, but basically done. I do have a few things left from the kit from CaliCatCo, some like functionals and icons here, a few of these like quarter flag boxes, and then a couple of boxes on this sheet as well. So those will all be saved in my leftovers. But in terms of other things, I literally only used the kit. That's all I did this week. I don't know if I've ever managed to do a spread just with a kit, but I managed to do it this time and I love how it turned out. I think it's super cute, and I definitely think that CaliCatCo will be on my list of shops that I consider again in the future. I've used a couple of her kits now, and they're a lot of fun. And I think it looks super cute. It is like very shiny since it is like a high gloss vinyl kit. So a little more difficult for writing, but looks super cute, and I love how it turned out, and it's definitely a lot of fun. So I don't really have a lot to tell you about in this finished one other than just to let you look at it. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Let me know what kits you're using in the next couple of months. Still trying to figure all of those things out. And also let me know if you have any exciting plans coming up if you are in the US and do Labor Day. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops and all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.